Hi, my name's Kip Techmeyer, and I am one of the owners of Boogie's Burgers in Renfrew. Boogie's Burgers has been around since 1969, so it's a long-term player in the burger game in Calgary. So in 2008, when my partner and I purchased, we had been involved in the restaurant and pub side of things for quite a while. And when we came across this little shop that was for sale, we knew it had amazing potential and had been around for so long, and that we could have a lot of fun reopening and trying to put our own brand on a successful business. The challenges that were presented to Boogie's when COVID arrived on the scene were probably 3 or 4-fold. Our expenses for delivery and takeout went up considerably. Our concerns about the safety of our staff and our clientele were paramount to us. These come with extra costs that we didn't really foresee. We were really happy to hear from Northville Mazda about their Local Legends program. We were proud that we were considered because we know that they picked based on Calgarians' opinions of places, which was really nice, so we were proud of that. Also, the contribution helped a lot. It came at a time when we normally bonus for Christmas and take everybody out for parties and that type of thing, and it really helped us have a normal 2021 Christmas. It was great, and we completely appreciate it.